So this is a tool basically that can help you to write whatever you want to write about a certain topic, to learn about a new topic, and to create a report so that you can use it later. So the problem with all the LLM and chatbot is we provide them a lot of information and then they will generate a new output, and then the next output will be a little different from the previous output. But if you want something specific to dive deep into something, then that context get lost and it replaces everything out there. So in this one it's just a browser uh, working along with an LLM in which we can write our topic or write about our topic, and along with it we can just dive deep into certain topic and then just can put that information right into that report, and at the end we will be able to export our report. So using this is very easy. It's a very pretty clean interface. So it's to ensure privacy. All the AI runs on local browser. It's not giving your data anywhere. It just stays in your system. So load model. It will download your weights and model is ready. You will have to write your AI prompt here and then generate idea. It will generate some idea, and now the idea is generated. So it wrote about reinforcement learning, everything, and now we want to insert into our document, which is here. So we'll export. Now it's here. So now you can see the pastel color block, which is the blue block. It's nice, right? So you can just name this section that it is RL and HI. You can even make it intro to RL, and that stays there. If you want, you can just have it. If you want to hide, you can even hide it. Now the export. So while exporting it, RL and then export PDF, and that will just work. So let's just run and go through one topic. So now we are going to use the model. So again, before running the model, you have to load the model. It will take some time. It will load the model. Now the model is ready to work. So let's see what I want to learn about. I want to learn about the history of stars. Let's say I want to explore the stars present in the universe. What are the type of stars present in the solar system? And then generate idea. I am using random color for each prompt. It will generate one random color, so it's just fine for me. It will synthesize it. It will be using your system GPU, so it may take some time, but yeah, it's all local. So basically I'm creating a report about all the stars that are present in solar system. So as we know, the sun is also a star. So all this information just came. It's really nice. I want to keep it. I'll just edit some part, and then this also I will remove this, insert into document. Now that is just present in my document. Now I want to tell more about sun, why it is called a star. So I will place my cursor here. I will click generate idea, and that will just work. So now it's here. I can just go here, why sun is also a star, and this section 1 basically is an intro so it's fine. Now about sun, it's there. I will remove this and just keep this part here and insert, so it's in yellow. And the fun facts are there. I may need it, I may not need it, it's fine. So sun star, I just kept it like this. Now I want to know about what are the stages of forming a star. Now I want to insert it before. I can write here in my place what are the types of stars and how they are formed. Now the formation is this. I will see the time scale will depend, stage 7, and I will just put it, insert to the document, and now it's formation, and that's it. Formation of star. I can hide it if I want, I can keep it, I can even hide the intro. Only the intro part is hidden. Now everything is just there. Formation of star, I want to keep it. Now one more thing is, what are the type of stars? Generate ID. So in this way you can dive deep into any topic and just generate anything, right? These are the type of stars and the formation of stars is there. What are the type of stars is a important thing. So cloud formation, accretion, rotation, then the core formation is this, the hydrogen fusion, metallicity, and more stuff. So I want to know about red gianta. Tell me more in few lines about it. So I will go here, I will click generate idea, but now I have these also, type of stars. The other type of stars, I will put this portion in here. So stars, there are subtype and conclusion is not required here, so I can just keep it types. Now one more thing is this one that I just generated, which is what is right Ginata. So it feels that some mistake is done in here, and I want to see where is this. It was in here, Gianta. Think human red giant, some fact, the masses, this. Now this characteristic life cycle, red giants, I just need this part, life cycle is fine, and this is good enough for me. I will just remove this part, even in this, even just keep it. Now I have the information of red giant. Now I think all is good enough now. how the stars are linked with humans and their future, then start telling about the stars. Keep it short. Now this introduction is there. So basically in 5-10 minutes you have prepared a whole report in which the whole content is present and in a very simple language, and now you have all the segments, all the sections, whatever you wrote. So it will be very useful part of any researcher in the process of just doing research. If I'm studying a topic, I can definitely use this to study a lot about that topic, and whenever I am diving deep into that, I have all the sections or subsections for each. So last introduction is there, and now I will write one conclusion. Now it's there. Say gamma rays. It created a lot. I don't need ideally this much, but yeah, it's a good thing in fact. I think it's fine. I will just write the conclusion story. I am to paste it here. The end, the conclusion, lasting legacy in this. So now everything is there, and cheered me 2 stars, and then I will just underline it and export. Now the 17 pages exported. I can just put it like this, reduce the size if I want, and then header and footer if I need, background graphics if I need. I think I will reduce this part, it's too much for the introduction. Now this report looks good, and I can just reduce the size of paper, and now it's in just 13 pages. I'll save it. Journey to stars, saved. If I open it, I will have a complete study in the vast expanse of universe, tapestry, thread of human existence. As we stand, we are not alone, we are going close to stars. As we embark, we will chase the stars are the building block, comprehensive overview, celestial main type of stars, and then subtypes and variation. These are those, how they are formed. We wrote protostar formation, core, main sequence, red giant, hydrogen depletion, red giant, and then radiation, supernova, sun is a main sequence star. Why is sun called a star? We have this. Then other portion, Saturn, Neptune, Alpha Centauri. Then more further information, sun, constellation, timekeepers, meteoroids, mirror of God, candles, shadows. And after learning all of it, conclusion is we reflect on the expansion of star, remember of impact, meaning of life, fragility of stars, fractions, but we are a single blink away from inevitable. Include the journey, we are left in sense of awe, wonder and differentiation, and this report is just prepared. It can be used for anything that you want to write, and it's just ready, and your writer is again ready to write a new thing. So that's it, that's the tool. Okay, bye bye.